The beginning of the universe is a decision, a deliberate hammer strike, clearing a contained stage of pure potential. The master architects throw the master switch. Instantly, they flood this unlit stage with billions of golden light particles, microscopic spheres of energy called ergs. This diagram shows the emerald matrix, an invisible, vibrating mathematical scaffolding. It directs every light particle along pre-cut channels to its exact position. Within this, divine equilibrium operates. By balancing positive light with negative energy, the builders create a stable, net-zero system. This grid also creates latency, a built-in delay between thought and physical manifestation. This safety feature allows the environment to function as a training simulator, where student souls can learn to build without instantly destroying their surroundings. But a rogue intelligence named Sir Pent sees this predictable radiance as sterile. He decides to inject chaos directly into the build.
He splashes the pristine light streams with heavy, unorganized vibrational static and dense, jagged debris known as space garbage. The fluid light clumps together and hardens, collapsing into points of infinite density, black holes that rip the matrix apart. You might wonder why the master builders didn't simply hit delete and purge the saboteur's glitch from the system. They chose not to erase the toxic debris. Instead, they reprogrammed the sabotage, using the heavy resistance as a weighted vest to make the training camp harder. The builder's first countermove traps the destructive black holes, wrapping them tightly inside the grid and locking them into fixed coordinates. These locked black holes now serve as galactic anchors. Their immense gravity pulls the chaotic space garbage into spinning, highly organized galaxies. Sir Pent pivots. He attempts to block the universe's main power source by building a suffocating trash wall of dense matter around a specific target sector. The builders answer by triggering a localized solar flash, using the suffocating pressure of the trash wall as an ignition chamber. The outward blast sweeps the deadly debris into functional security barriers. The heaviest shards form the asteroid belt, while freezing gases assemble into massive gas giants. Every piece of physical structure in the universe is simply repurposed resistance. The chaos provides the raw material for order. Zooming in on the third orbit of this system, we find Earth. This is Project Greenhouse, a highly specialized stress test chamber. This chart breaks down Earth's exact atmospheric composition. The planet was deliberately coated with a harsh ratio, 75% opaque dark matter density and 25% radiant light. To survive this, the planet requires internal defenses. A churning molten core generates a global magnetic field, a Zen defense grid, that blocks unfiltered solar static. The moon operates as an orbital counterweight to keep the oceans moving, and as a reflector stepping down the sun's intense energy into a gentle glow at night. To keep the student's heart powered in this density, the builders installed the silver cord, a step-down circuit tethering the physical body to its original source. Earth's heavy environment acts as a heavily armored, life-sustaining laboratory. It is perfectly tuned for endurance. Construction shifts from raw structure to systems. The final phase deploys the biological ecosystem as a living energy conversion network. Plants function as biological solar arrays. They are engineered to capture the 25% glow power and convert it into edible light matter. Recognizing a vulnerability, Sir Pent attempts to corrupt the ecosystem. He hardwires hyperconsumption into animals, trying to trigger a parasitic overload to crash the entire system. This flowchart illustrates the Elohim's software patch. The predator-prey feedback loop sets a mathematical limit on resources, acting as a circuit breaker against unchecked growth. Here, death operates as a recycling unit, returning captured energy to the soil to power new biological solar panels. The interlocking systems of weather, orbit, and biology complete the build. Earth functions as an autonomous engine of homeostasis. Now, the live wire workshop is fully operational. It is stable enough to inhabit, but unpredictable enough to force adaptation and learning. Sir Pent hypothesized that the 75% dark matter density would be so agonizingly heavy it would crush any memory of the light. He was wrong. The master builders designed the human experience around a central principle. The crushing weight of physical life is the exact mechanism that teaches a soul how to generate its own radiance. You are the apprentice who volunteered for this 75% challenge.